How to manage your account profile settings on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your account settings easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Freelancer, log into your account, click on your name, click on settings, and on this page, as you can see, you can change your name, last name, address, city, and many other options. Change the language, and you can also change everything, as you can see, the country and many other, the time zone, location, and yeah, now it's very easy, as you can see. And you can also go here to view profile, and you can change something here if you want. You can add publications, qualifications from here, education, experience. As you can see, it's actually very easy. You can also edit your skills or add new ones from here. And yeah, you can also get certified if you want. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.